Let's talk about the word data. So to understand that, we'll pick up a scenario. So you have a coconut company. So this coconut company, right? What they do is they have coconut centers or farms, and they work with local farmers from where they collect the coconuts. You know, then sell it in a place where there is less coconut, or sorry, no coconut to be frank. Right? Sell it in a place wherein there is need of coconut and there are no trees per se. Right? So that's what this company does. So they want to open a branch in a new city or a new town or so. So to do that, they hire two local people. This is your information collection center. So what do they do? So they are near under a tree and all of that. Nice cozy place, and in front of a big road. Okay, so a street. This is a road and this is the footpath. So people who are going and coming, they talk to them. They give them some gift and all that, provided they give some information, right? So what kind of information should they collect so that it is useful for the data, useful for the company? Well, I mean, see, the question of what information you have to collect from this set of people itself is a big question. Now, there are people hired to set up the questions. I'm not joking. It's that big. And what we're discussing, it's not a small thing. There are companies which run just for this. There are people who are working just on this, and it's not a easy task. See, you can code something, you can write something, you can do the math. But when you deal with people, it's a altogether different thing. You know, making people work, talking to people, getting information from them, so on and so forth. It's not an easy task. That's why management people get paid so much, because handling people is not easy, right? So don't take this what this process that easily. Framing the question itself is too big. So again, come on. My set of okay, whatever I discuss, it's not the ultimate structure. So there might be good questions that you guys can ask. But yes, I would like you guys to think about what question, if you were here, what question will you ask this person or the people around, so that this company can make use of it. Well, we can start off with the name and email ID, so that the company can be sure that they're actually originally collecting the actual data. And now digital age, we can send coupons, you can send so many things, information through email ID. If people are willing to give their phone numbers, then yes, phone numbers as well. Then what else can you connect? Where they reside, the area, maybe not the address, just the area, that is important. And a very useful data would be, in a week, on a particular month, right? What is the number of coconut water they drank? What is the yeah, right? And how much do they plan to drink during summer, during winter, during other seasons in that particular city? How much will they have they drank before, and how much are they willing to drink? How useful, I mean, such information or such questions will help the company. Anything else other than something like which school did you go to and all of that, that will not make sense, is it not? Right? So even that is information. Which school this person went to, is even that is an information, but it is not useful for the company. So data is nothing but useful information, right? Collecting data is a big thing. No, collecting data is a big thing. And next, after this is your analysis. This is where you guys come into picture, and this is what we are learning. So you put across the data in this rough manner as soon as you collect the data, right? This is called as raw data. Raw data is nothing but you data collected from the people. After connecting the raw data, you analyze it. This is where this is what the syllabus talks about, analyzing this data. And if analyzing data is a big thing, collecting the data is also a big thing, but we are learning a very small part of this analysis. This is what we are learning in this chapter.